Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in this video today I'm gonna show you how to recreate this makeup look. So if you are new to my channel, then click the subscribe below, and if you're already subscribed, then thank you and welcome back. Okay, now so to start this look, I have already primed my eyelids with some eyeshadow primer, and I had create a blank canvas so I can work on it. Now I'm taking a blending brush with a mid brown tone shades, and I'm gonna apply that all over my crease area softly and smoothly. So because I'm not gonna apply any other shades, I'm gonna only apply this mid tone brown shade all over my crease area. I'm gonna fill my eyebrows, so in that way I'm gonna keep some of the space from the starting side and gonna fill all the eyebrows with a black shade of my eyeshadow. I used to fill in that way, and after that a quite amount of I'm gonna go down to the eyebrows properly.